Hello and welcome to today's video. What is juicing and what are the health benefits? Juicing is a process that involves extracting the nutritious juices from fresh fruits and vegetables and has become increasingly popular in recent years. Many people use juicing to detox or to add more nutrients to their diet. So, here is a review of juicing and its benefits. Juicing is generally used for two purposes. The first is detoxification. Solid food is eliminated and only juice is consumed for 3 days to several weeks. Some people believe that drinking juice cleanses their bodies of toxins. The second reason for juicing is to supplement a normal diet. Fresh fruit can be used as a handy supplement to your daily diet, increasing nutrient intake from fruits and vegetables that you wouldn't otherwise consume. Juicing is an easy way to obtain a lot of nutrients, as many people don't obtain enough nutrients from their diets alone. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and plant compounds that may protect against disease. So if you find it difficult to get the recommended amount of fruits and vegetables into your diet each day, juicing can be a convenient way to increase your intake. One study found that supplementing with mixed fruit and vegetable juice over 14 weeks improved participants' nutrient levels of beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium and folate. A high intake of fruits and vegetables shows promise in many areas of health. For example, juices may reduce your risk of heart disease. Apple and pomegranate juices have been linked to reduced blood pressure and cholesterol levels. One large study observed a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease among those who drank fruit and vegetable juices 3 or more times a week, compared with those who drank them less than once a week. The reduction in Alzheimer's risk may be due to the high levels of polyphenols in the juices. These are antioxidants found in plant foods and believed to protect brain cells. Juicing should not replace regular meals indefinitely. The recommendation is to replace 1 meal per day with juice, and this is unlikely to cause harm, as long as the rest of your diet is more balanced. So, in conclusion, juicing can really be a boon to your health and can help you get down all those fruits and veggies packed with goodness that you would not usually consume. Happy juicing, everyone!